What is up, guys? Do you want to learn a digital marketing job, or you just got started in digital marketing wanting to build a career out of it? Today we've interviewed Sarvesh Bagla, the founder and the CEO of the Techmagnate digital marketing agency based in India. This agency has been active for over 17 years. Sarvesh has nearly 2 decades of experience leading complex marketing initiatives for top brands and building high-performing teams. So today he's generously taking out his time to share his guidance for those looking to kickstart their digital marketing careers. He has revealed essential abilities new marketers should have, the nuances in the recruiting process, key areas candidates fall short, and insider tips leveraged by digital marketers who are hired at top digital marketing agencies. If you're a beginner, this video will surely be a real treat for you. Without any further ado, let's get started. Welcome you all to the live podcast with Mr. Sarvesh. Mr. Sarvesh is right here with us. So the first question we're going to begin with is, Mr. Sarvesh, what skills and background do I need to get started in digital marketing?
So they need to have skills, right? So they need to build skills in SEO or performance marketing or content development, right?
Thank you very much for the answer. So the second question we're going to be throwing out to him is, what are some quality, free, low-cost resources that you can use to teach yourself digital marketing?
See, there are a lot of these courses out there, but because we focus more on performance marketing. See, a lot of the people that we hire, they've done certifications from, say, Google, Meta, SEMrush, even HubSpot. So I think these are all platforms that have their own courses, that teach you, how to do inbound marketing, how to, run Google ads, how to run Meta ads.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sarvesh. Most of us have been trying really hard to learn digital marketing. So how can someone get hands-on experience to learn this skill, digital marketing, without prior experience?
When I started out 15, 17 years ago, there was no formal training or education available in digital marketing. So you just learned on the job, right? But today, I think there are a lot of courses, there's a lot of certifications out there. So people can do those courses, get those certifications so that they have the desired background in digital marketing before they actually get a job in that space.
Well, that is amazing, Mr. Sarvesh. For me personally, while learning digital marketing, I acquired a lot of certificates. So, we throw this question to you, Mr. Sarvesh. What certificates are important to help someone land his first digital marketing job?
I think, honestly, I'm not aware of any one, but I know that there are several out there. I think, the ones I mentioned, Google, Meta, they are the most basic ones that teach you on the basics. But if you do any training or any course, which is, a proper diploma course, which teaches you intermediary skills or more advanced skills, I think it's good to have that, because I think in today's day and age, the entry barriers are so low that everybody is a self-proclaimed digital marketer, right? So if you've got any formal training, if you've got a certification, I think it goes a long way towards giving you the edge.
Relating this to beginners, what job entry roles can beginners apply for?
So I think at an agency like ours, for example, right, I mean, there are entry level roles available for, every aspect, every function of performance marketing, right? So there's entry level junior executive roles available for SEO, for paid media, for social media even, for content development, right? So I think lots of entry level roles are available. All brands, all agencies have these openings because everybody's investing in digital these days, right? I think the important thing from a candidate's perspective is they should choose a role that sort of fits with their area of interest, and they should be looking for a role where it gives them the opportunity to sort of get their hands dirty. I mean, the objective should be to learn. That is the most important thing from their aspect.
That sounds practical, Mr. Sarvesh. Thank you very much. So now, as a beginner, how can I make my resume stand out for digital marketing despite having limited direct experience?
Yeah, I think if you can actually showcase that you've been constantly learning and you've got certifications or courses you've taken. That is something that you should highlight on your resume. I think it's also important to showcase some of the project work you've done, right? If you've got case studies, if you've done some project work, it's very, very essential you showcase that, because I think all hiring managers want to see the work you've done, the results you've delivered, the impact you've created, the growth you've delivered. So if that comes across through your resume, I think it goes a long way towards getting hired.
Now, we've gone past the learning process. So, what digital skills can I develop now that can make me stand out as a digital marketer?
Today, it's becoming more and more about data and AI. So, if you've got skills, shows that, if you can do prompt engineering with AI, right? You can do automation in SEO. If you can do, you can use AI to sort of create ad copy or social media posts. If you can do data analytics, I think these are some really great skills that you can add to your resume to make yourself more marketable and to sort of accelerate your growth.
Now, talking of uniqueness, or should I say standing out, how can I showcase my digital marketing ability in front of an interview?
The most important thing is that, one needs to build a portfolio. I think, you need to showcase the projects you've worked on, right? When you build your portfolio, you have to pay attention to, what the problem statement was. What was the marketing or the business objective that you were trying to work towards? What was your approach to solving the problem? What was the end result? So I think if you can show the impact of your work through numbers, I think it inspires a lot of confidence in the hiring manager, right? And in addition to that, if you can sort of analyze, and irrespective of whether you've met the end objective or not, if you're able to analyze or articulate what your contribution was and how your work or your team's work sort of helped achieve the organization's goals, I think that's what the hiring managers are looking to see and hear.
Now, Mr. Sarvesh, we know that you're a hiring manager. Now, based on your position, what core strengths do you look for when hiring for a digital marketing position?
So I think, core strength, I would say, we obviously want to see technical expertise, right? Or we want the person to be a subject matter expertise in whatever functional area that they choose to work in, right? But in addition to that, I think what we are looking to see is somebody who's got great communication skills, right? Somebody who can effectively manage stakeholders, whether it is clients, whether it is their reporting managers, whether it is their team, somebody who can effectively lead and manage a team, somebody who's got critical thinking skills. So I think outside of technical skills and subject matter expertise, I think these are some of the skills that we're looking for.
As an expert with almost 2 decades of experience in the digital marketing industry, what do you see will be the future of digital marketing in the coming years?
Digital marketing is clearly evolving. It's evolving very, very rapidly. So I see the future of digital marketing, it's got to do with data and AI. So digital marketers have to learn to be comfortable with data. They should be able to prepare reports. They should be able to read and analyze reports. They should be able to, draw insights from data and use that information to sort of drive business growth. Also, AI and technology, we use those to sort of make our work easier, to make it more efficient. So I think digital marketers in the future will have to learn how to leverage the right tools for the right output.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sarvesh. This was really a worthwhile interview. So that is it, guys. We've come to the end of this podcast with Mr. Sarvesh. If you need more help creating a digital marketing resume for yourself, check out this video right here. Bye.